In this video, I will show you how to make these basic crochet earrings perfect for summer. Let's get started. To make these earrings, you will need lace cotton yarn. I use Melissa Perle number 8 and 1.5 millimeters crochet hook. Yes, you can use a thicker yarn and bigger hook. For example, embroidery thread like this and 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. It just depends on you. For the base of my earrings, I will use these plastic halves of pearls. They have about 1.7 centimeters of diameter. You can use any size you want. It also can be flat or like a button or a piece of wood. They will look a little bit different, but the most important thing is that it has to be round. Okay, obviously, scissors, needle, and these little earring sticks, and also the ends to secure your earrings, and an instant glue to put all the things together. Start making a magic ring. Okay, and inside this magic ring make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close this hole. Okay, and right now we will work just in this back loop here. So now in every stitch we will make an increase. So here working just in this back loop, so you can see it, I will make 2 single crochet. So here will be 1 and 2 in the same place. Go to the next stitch, but again only in this back loop, and again make an increase, so 2 single crochet. So this will be our stitch number 3 and stitch number 4 in the same place. Again, in the next one, just back loop, remember, stitches number 5 and 6. In the next one, 7 and 8. In the next one, 9 and 10. And in our last stitch of this round, 11 and 12. Here we go. This is how it looks right now. Now we will work an increase in the next stitch, again just in back loop. So stitches number 1 and 2 in the same place. But in next one we will just make 1 single crochet, again only in back loop. So stitch number 3. In the next one we will make again an increase, so stitches number 4 and 5 in the same place. And in the next one, stitch number 6. And we will continue like this, making 1 increase and single crochet in the next one until we have 18 stitches. Okay, I just made my stitch number 18. This is how it looks right now. So it was my round number 3. Now you can take your base for your earring and check if it already fits or not. I still have to make 1 more round, so I will still increase my circle. So in this round number 4, I will make an increase in the first stitch, so stitches number 1 and 2, and in 2 next stitches I will make just 1 single crochet. So in the next one I will have stitch number 3, and in the next one stitch number 4. again an increase, so my stitches number 5 and 6 in the same place. In the next one I will make stitch number 7, and in the next one stitch number 8. And I will continue working like this, making increase and 2 single crochet until I have 24 stitches. Okay, I finished my round number 4. I have 24 stitches all over, and right now I can check that this is exactly the same size that my base. So I will not increase anymore. I will just work these 24 stitches all around, and I will work 3 rounds of 24 stitches. I will show you in a moment how it will look like. And again, I will just work in these back loops. So I will work 24 all over. And after making this 24 single crochet all over, this is how the shape is changing. So it's not a circle already, but it started to look like this. And as I said, I will make 2 more rounds to cover this half of purl. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. As you can see, I can cover completely my base. If you want to use just like a button or something more flat, it will be necessary to make just 1 round without increases. So everything depends of this object that you chose to make your earrings. And right now we will start to decrease. So we have to put this thing inside and we will start to close it. We will still work just in back loop, and right now I have 24 stitches all around, and I will decrease to have a total of 16. So right now I will make a decrease in my first 2 stitches, just back loop. This will be my stitch number 1, and in the next stitch, just back loop, I will just make a single crochet. So this will be my stitch number 2. Again, I will make a decrease, so stitch number 3, and in the next one just single crochet, stitch number 4, and I will continue working like this until I have, with this inside obviously, until I have 16 stitches. This is how it looks like after my decreasing round. I made, as I said, 16 stitches, and right now it's a moment to place our earring stick here. So I will just stick it with a glue here in the center. Okay, we'll wait a moment until it's dry, and we will make another decreasing row all over, making decrease in every stitch. So we will have a total, right now I will have a total of 8 stitches after this round. Okay, I think it's too dry. It's instant glue, so it's dry super quick. Okay, so right now super carefully we will crochet all over, and right now I will make stitches in both loops. So Why I wanted to make all the time in just in back loop. As you can see, we have this gorgeous spiral here all over, but right now in this back part we just don't need it. So I will make right now 8 decreases to close this hole, working in both loops. 1, 2, 3. As you can see right now, it's not so comfortable to work with this stick, so that's the reason that I was waiting to the last moment to place it here. Okay, so I will finish this decreasing round and I will show you what to do next. So at this point I have here just 8 stitches. I will cut the yarn and just using a needle I will close this hole all over our earring stick. So just entering into the stitches so you can see. I will just make it one by one, closing this hole. You can just leave it like this or make a few more moves. Okay. Now we have to weave in this end. Cut the rest of yarn. And our crochet earring will be ready. And right now we just have to make another one. And that's it. Your crochet earrings are ready. As you can see, it's really easy and quite quick project, even working with so thin yarn. I'm sure you will wear them a lot with all your summer outfits, make tons of them with different colors, and I would love to see your works. So if you publish a picture or a reel on Instagram, tag Toffee Fields so I can see it. And I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.